Hello friends, how is it going? I hope all is well. In this video, I want to make company profile website design using Figma. Okay, step one, I want to make um a frame for the design. Okay, I want to make a frame. You can make a frame by pressing A on the keyboard, and I want to use a desktop. Okay, here I have a desktop frame. Okay, this is the example. Okay, so the next step is I want to change the resolution of this frame. Okay, I want to change the size of this frame. Okay, next I want to add the background. Yeah, I want to add the background to this frame. Okay, I want to use rectangle. Okay, draw rectangle like this. Okay, and I want to use the main color or primary color is blue. Yeah, that's the my primary color. Okay, and to use blue, or this is the color palette. Okay, I've made the color palette. Okay, this is the primary, secondary, semantic, and neutral. I am not already. This is not already made. Okay, okay. I want to use the primary color. This. Okay. Next is I want to make a navigation bar. Okay. Use the rectangle again, like this, and draw the navigation bar. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot. Before we start make website design, I want to uh add a margin like this. This is the margin. Yeah, this is the columns, counts, yeah, and color. Okay, width. Okay, I want to add margin to this frame. Okay, add layout grid. Change the columns. This is 12. This, and change the center, and with the change to 80. Okay, like this. This is the margin. Okay, I want to change the size of this navigation bar like this. Okay, next I want to add oh, I'm sorry, I want to change the opacity of this navigation bar to 70% or 50%, and I want to change the color to black like this, and or 30 maybe, oh, I 30% like this. And the next step is I want to logo to this navigation bar like this. Okay, this is the icons I have prepared. Yes. Okay. I want to copy my logo. Okay, from this example. I want to duplicate like this. Okay. And I want to adjust the position. Okay. The next step is I want to make the tags like home, services, features, and buy, and the buttons like login and register. Okay, uh, click tags and type home like this and change the font I want to use. enter like this. I want to change uh color font style to bold like this. Okay, and I want to duplicate this. Okay, okay, duplicate like this, and I want to change the text. Okay, and this is the services. This is the features, and this is by. Okay, and I want to change the text style. Okay, to uh uh symbol or regular. Oh, I'm sorry. Change to change to medium and change the color of the text like this. Okay. And next, I want to make a button, a login button and a register button. Okay. Duplicate this. Okay. Duplicate again. And I want to add auto layout to this text. Press Shift A on the keyboard and auto layout has been added. Okay, this is the auto layout. Okay, I want to add fill on this text and I want to change the color of the text to blue and I want to change the colors. Oh, I'm sorry. I want to change the text law again like this and I want to change the corner radius to 10 like this and I want to change the horizontal padding to 20 and like this. Okay, now I want to change this text to register. I want to retype. Okay, like this. And now I want to add auto layout to these components, to these objects, like this. Click this, and this, and add auto layout. Click this and this, add auto layout. And this is there are three components. Okay, and click this, and add auto layout and change the horizontal gap between like this. Okay, like this, and you can click this and you can click the background of navigation bar. Okay, like this, and click this and the background and auto layout heading like this. Okay, the navigation bar is finished. Okay, next I want to make the hero section. Okay, I want to make a hero section like this. Helping you find your dream house. Okay, like this. And I want to change the font. I want to use thinner and I want to change the size. Yes, I want to change the color as textile. Right, like this, and I want to like this. Okay. Yep. Next, okay, next I want to make this text like this. Okay, you can copy or duplicate this text and change the color text style to regular and change to 24 like this. Okay, and type your text. I want to type my house is here to find the best house for you. Okay, and for sell or rent with reliable with reliable reliable sources sources like this, and I want to change okay for it like this. Okay, nice. And I want to change this text my house. I want to change the textile to bold like this because my house is my product my website name. Okay, okay, next step is I want to add background. Okay, I want to duplicate this background, or you can find your background on internet. Okay, uh, I want to copy or duplicate this background because I have on this project. So I just need to duplicate like this and put here. Okay, okay. The next step is I want to make a button. You can duplicate this text like this and change the text like find the home now like this and change the text size to 32 and add auto layout again by pressing Shift A on the keyboard and add fill and change the text color to blue or the primary color like this. And I want to add corner radius to 10. This okay. Um, I want to add horizontal padding and vertical padding like this and this so 15 maybe or 40. Okay, like this. It's cool. Okay. The next step is I want to make surface sections. Okay. You can duplicate this text again like this by pressing Alt on the keyboard or Control C, Control V, or Control D. Okay. You can change the color of the text to primary color or blue and change the text size to 64 and change the type. Okay, and do it our surfaces like this and okay, cool, like this. Okay, yep, like this. And next step is I want to add um the text. Yes, you can duplicate this text again, change to 20 or 24, maybe 24. Yes, and change the color to black or 000 and change the tags. Yes, my house is here to be a solution for you. Like this. Okay. And I want to change the textile to semi-bold like this. Yep. I forget. I want to add auto layout to this component or to this object here before I next. Okay. Click this and this. Add auto layout. This and this. Add auto layout. Okay. You can adjust the vertical padding or gapping like this. Okay, I want to change to 35 or yes, 35 like this. Okay, next. Okay, I want to make the components or the object in our services sections. Okay, okay, make rectangle like this. I want to use 300 maybe and 300 this or I want to see this. Yeah, this is 350. Okay, like this, and I want to change the color to blue. Okay, and I want to add um object or icon to this object as I want to copy my icons. Yep, like this. Okay, want to copy my icons like this. I want to duplicate like this. Okay, yep, like this. And I want to put here. And next step is I want to add text like this. Okay, click text and the property, new property. I want to change to insert like this, and I want to change the text size to 24, and I want to change to bold or medium like this. Okay, cool. Next step is I want to add uh the subtext, okay, of this section. This you can duplicate this text again and type uh, my house is now uh, reality. Okay, I'm going to remove this text. I'm going to change to 16 or 14, maybe. Okay, reality. Buy a new house with the best wait with the best facilities and a comfortable comfortable environment, environment. Okay, like this. Okay, 15 maybe. Oh, 14. Yes, 14. Like this. And change to align center and change the position of this text. Okay, the next step is I want to add auto layout again to these objects. Click this. Oh, sorry, click this, and add auto layout. And put to the center of this rectangle and click this and click the rectangle and auto layout again like this. Okay, the next step is I want to duplicate this like this and this. Okay, and click this and this and that auto layout again and change to um 65. Okay, and now I want to change the color of this rectangle to gray, maybe like this, and this to feel like this. And I want to change the text brand house like this, and I want to change the color to blue. And this is by a house. This I want to change the color to blue. Okay, and I want to change the icon like this. I want to use this. I want to use this icon like this. Okay, and delete this icon. Okay, and I want to use this icon. Okay, put here and delete this icon like this. Okay, our services section almost ready. And now change the color of the text to black like this. Okay, the our services section is uh ready on sorry typo solution like this. And now I want to add auto layout to this text. Click this and this and add auto layout. Okay, and put to the center like this. Okay, and next step is I want to make a search section. Okay, I want to copy or duplicate this image because I have already have the image where you can search or find your favorite image. This I want to duplicate and put here like this. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, like this. And I want to add text. You can duplicate this text like this and right click and bring the front and change the color to white and change the text. Find your dream home like this and change the text to 70 and put the center. Okay, and change to 0. Okay, like this. And I want to add the little text or subtext like this. Like now you can Set yourself all the stress, time, and hidden costs with thousands of homes like this. Okay, I want to change the size of the text to 24 or 32 maybe, and change to regular like this. Okay, now I want to make this search bar like this. We can use rectangle again like this. Yep. Okay, like this. Okay, and duplicate this by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and change to blue. Change the color to blue. Yes. Okay, and this. Okay, like this. And now make a rectangle again, uh, or duplicate this rectangle like this. Okay, and change the size of the rectangle and draw the trees. Okay, like this. And you duplicate this again. Okay, and change the size of the rectangle like this. Yep, and change the opposite of this rectangle or 16 bar to 70. Okay, like this, and like this. Now, now I want to add corner radius. Okay, I want to add corner radius to 10, maybe. This is the, oh, change this to this. This is the 10, yeah, like this. And this is, I want to add corner radius again to 10, like this. Okay. The next step is I want to add a search. Oh, I'm sorry. This is, uh, I want to add search button and type a search like this and add auto layout by pressing Shift A on the keyboard and add field and change to the background to blue like this and change the text color to white like this and can adjust the horizontal padding or vertical padding like this to add 67 maybe and to add horizontal F or vertical padding like this and to add 40. Okay, like this and change the text size to 36. I want to change this horizontal padding to 30 or 31. This, oh, 30, oh, 30 and 5. like this, and change this to medium, like this. Okay, next step is I want to add tags, like buy, rent, or new property. You can copy these tags. Okay, and right click and bring to front and click like buy. Like this. Okay, right here and change to blue, like this, and duplicate this again, and duplicate again, and type this is a brand. This is a new property, like this. This is a 24. I want to change to 24, like this. Okay, and change the color of this text to black, like this. Okay, and I want to add auto layout this text in this not auto layout and change the vertical heading and this to this add auto layout, like this, and change to um vertical. Okay, like this. Like, okay, good. Next step is I want to make this like house type, price range, and other. I want to copy these icons. Okay, and I want to paste here. Yes, like this. And I want to type like this, and you can duplicate this text, and you can type house type like this. Okay, oh, house type and put here. Okay, we change to medium and duplicate this text again. This and this is adjacent left. Okay, like this, and duplicate this again, like this. Okay, and duplicate this text again, and type your what you need. Okay, search by location ID property, like this. Okay, add auto out to this. Okay, and add auto out to this again, like this. This. Okay, and add auto out to this, like this. Okay, and add auto out to this. Oh no, this is not auto out. Okay, we're gonna have to add auto out to this text. Okay, but this next step is make a recommendation for you. Okay, I want you to get this text again and type recommended for you, and I want to change the color of the text to blue. Okay, and change to 28, or this is at 75. Okay, like this. Yep. And I want to make a rectangle like this. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Like this. Okay. And I want to add photo and I want to duplicate this photo like this. Yep. Okay. And I want to add tags like this. And I want to duplicate this text again. And right click and bring to phone and type ITR for 500,000, 500 million. Okay. Like this and change the color text to black like this. Okay. And change the text size to um 32 like this. And duplicate this text again and then change the text size to 16 and type share. Yep, like this, and change to the medium like this. Let's turn off. Okay, like this, and duplicate this again. Okay, and retype red and change the color text to red like this, and change to bold. Okay, now I want to add auto layout to this text like this, and put here, and I want to add horizontal padding to 15 like this. And now I want to duplicate, I want to group this, like select all and Control G and group. I want to change the color background of this to blue like this, and I want to add a true color uh, 3 and change this true color to blue like this. Okay. I want to add um like this. Okay, and I want to duplicate this like this, and you can change the uh text of this step. And I want to add auto layout again and change the horizontal gaping like this to okay like this. I want to change the background color to uh white or to gray like this. Okay, this is again, this is to like this, and I want to duplicate this like this. Yep. Okay, and add auto layout. Okay, now I want to change the background to gray again, like this. Okay, You can change the text or the background um, of this object. Okay. Next step is I want to make a home features. You can duplicate this again and type home features like this and change the text size to 64 like this. Yep. Okay, good. And I want to make a button and it can duplicate this text again and again. Okay, Shift A to add auto on and add field. I'm going to change that to blue like this, and I want to change the text color to white like this. And I want to add a horizontal heading like this. I want to change the text size to 32 like this. I'm going to change vertical heading to 20, and I want to add corner radius to 10 like this, and I want to add uh, dots, and I want to add icons, saffron icons. I want to copy this and paste here and change to Y and rotate this to 90 or negative 90 like this. Okay, change the horizontal gaping. Okay, like this. Then auto out this. Okay, next step is you want to make this. Okay, step. Okay, the next step is I want to make home features photos. I want to uh duplicate this image, or you can find the image on internet. Okay, I want to duplicate this. Okay, and I want to duplicate this again, or I want to uh, copy from this and copy from this like this. Okay, this is I have auto. Okay, I want to duplicate this. Okay, like this, and I want to add auto layout. Oh, before I add auto layout, I'm sorry. Yeah, like this. Okay, I'm sorry. Um, this is I have a bug. Yep, like this. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I want to duplicate from this, and then I can duplicate like this, and I want to make a button. You can copy this button like this, and right click and bring to front and change the text. I want to change view and remove the icon. This okay. You can add blur layer blur until I okay like this, and I want to add text. You can duplicate this text again like this. Right click and bring to font and um family room. Going to change such text to 36 and gold and to white like this, or blue maybe like, like this, or black, black has this, and add auto layout this and this, and auto layout. Okay, this. Okay, now add auto layout to this. Okay, and I want to add icon. This is several icon. I want to copy it from my icons. Okay, and paste here, and I want to lock this auto layout and put here, and duplicate this. Yes, duplicate this, duplicate this, and change the rotation. Negative, negative, or um negative 180. Um, 0, oh, 0, like this. Okay, I'm going to unlock this and change to this, like this. Okay, and now I want to make a key or question section. I want to duplicate this image like this. Okay, like this. Okay, cool. And I want to make this question box. Okay, use a rectangle like this. Up like this. Yep, like this. And I want to add a corner radius like this. And I want to add text. You can duplicate this text. And right click and bring to font and type in questions and change font to A4 like this, or 55. Okay, like this. And I want to make this uh button, this email box. Okay, duplicate this and type email, change the text color to gray, and change the size text size to 60, 36, I mean 36, or 24. Yep, like this. And add auto layout by pressing uh Shift A on the keyboard, and add fill, and add fill um to fill color black. And like this. Okay, this is the black. Uh, this and this to the, and adjust the horizontal and vertical padding like this. I want to add uh left padding like this. Okay, and horizontal vertical padding like this. 15. Okay. Or 20 maybe. Yep. 20. Um, 20 like this. And I want to duplicate this and change the text to question. Okay. Like this. And change the horizontal padding like this. Okay. Yep. Like this. Okay. And I want to duplicate this again. This and change the click to 10 like this. Okay. Yep, like this. Okay. 145 like this. And this is submit. Yes. I want to change this to 1 156. And yes. And add auto like all of this. Or change this color to blue like this and change the color text to white. Okay. Then add auto like this and change to 15 like this and this add auto out and this to this add auto out. Okay, the question box is ready. And now I want to make a footer of this uh design. Okay, I want to use rectangle like this. Yeah, change the color to black and add the logo like this. I want to add my logo. I want to duplicate my logo like this. Okay, and text. Okay, the duplicate this text like this. Bring the front and social media like this. Change to one like this and change to 14 or 20 maybe. Yes, 20 like this and icons, social media icons like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter like this. Okay, and we can make the text like home services features and FAQ. Duplicate this type home and duplicate this again. Um, services and duplicate again. Features and now I'll just get D and FAQ like this. Okay, now add auto layout to this text. This add auto layout. Okay, this and this these icons add auto layout to these icons. This and this add auto layout again. And this and this add auto layout again. Change to middle like this. Okay, guys. Um, so website company profile is finished. Okay, company profile website design is finished. And this is the design, this is the result. Okay, like this, you can change the image or you can change the text. Okay, like this. Okay, I want to change the name to company profile web design like this. And I want to view or prototype it. Prototype view. I want to test and prototype view like this. Okay, this is the result. Okay, login, register. Okay, this is services. This is fine. Okay, this is a comment for you. And home features. Okay, this is the question box. Oh, this is the typo question. I'm sorry. I'll change this text. Okay, question like this. Okay, questions. And this is the footer. Okay. Okay, guys. Uh, I think that's all I can tell you. Uh, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.